Charlie for 1 Papa 1. Charlie for 1 Papa 4. Charlie for 1 Alpha 1. Fire incident.
I run a company called Glass Twin, and we specialise in sound to help with lowering agitation and building a resilient community. The bench is a sonic safe space. You sit on the bench, you press a button and it guides you through a breathing and listening activity.
Welcome to Echo Point. You are safe.
Myself personally,
I will be your guide.
I've had my own sort of different stresses and strains of work. Having that release is so important. I think this is something that we could use out to a wider public, definitely. It could be something used by anybody.
3, 2, 1. End of exercise.